The first project we had, the project that led me to discover KRIs, was a need for a portal for our sales force to be able to access orders and provide feedback, enter comments against those orders. And we were a month before go live and realized we had a gap. We couldn't move go live, but we also couldn't go live with this gap. So after doing a little searching on Google, I found KRIs, placed a phone call, we had a conversation. The next day, I think it was, I had the software installed on a server and we were starting development. We had a month's process to get this done, and we got it done on time. We actually got it done ahead of time, had a spec change, had to rescope the whole process itself. We're able to rebuild it and deploy it and still meet our window for production. If I hadn't found EASYProcess to do this project, I wouldn't have been able to meet the window. I don't know that I'd be sitting here employed today. That being said, we found EASYProcess. We had also looked at doing modifications to E1, to the customer self-service portal, to set up custom security for our sales force. And we looked at what that would take. And we were working with our J.D. Edwards business partner, and we're talking about a functional and a technical consultant spending months to make these mods versus myself spending weeks. So, ROI was definitely within months, if not almost instantaneous, given the scope of the project. If we'd have gone through the business partner, who knows when we would have achieved it. I've gotten some very positive feedback from the user community about the speed at which we're able to deploy new functionality within EASYProcess. And there have been instances where I've gotten a request in the morning and by that afternoon it's in production. In the 9 months that we've had EASYProcess in place, we've deployed portals for our consultants, for our office managers, for our wholesale distributors, and for our employees. KRIs has been just outstanding. I mean, anytime throughout the development cycle, if I've hit a point that stops me, typically within half a day's time, if they have to develop a modification to a DLL, they'll do it. They'll turn it around, get it back to me right away, and it's a piece of cake.